Hello dear friends, how are you today? I am Bahra Maseli, and in this video I'm going to teach you about simple present. I'm very happy to teach you. Okay, so if you want to know about simple present, please watch this video until the end. And let me tell you something. If you want to watch my videos, okay, when I release the videos on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell as soon as possible. Okay, so let's start a new lesson. Hello again friends, how are you? Okay, if you want to make great sentences in simple present tense, you should pay attention to the verbs. Okay, so first let me tell you, if the verb is a main verb, okay, you should know that in every situation except third person singular, you write or you say the sentence simple, okay, or you can say base form of the verb. Okay. For example, in this sentence, when you want to say I go to the restaurant, okay, this is say first person singular. You say I go to the restaurant, but third person singular, say she goes to the restaurant, or he goes to the restaurant, or okay, another person, for example, John goes to the restaurant, okay, or Mary goes to the restaurant. So it is very important to know how to make sentences. Okay, make sentences in simple present tense, in positive form, negative form, and question form. So in this video, I will give you some lesson about positive form in simple present tense. Okay? Please watch this video until the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Okay, first of all, tell me, do you know what is subject pronoun? Okay, subject pronoun. Yes, it's true. Yeah. I, you. Okay, we have two yous. Okay, because one of them is singular and the other one is plural. We, they, she, he, it. Okay, these are subject pronouns. So use subject pronouns at the beginning of the sentence, okay, in simple present tense and also in positive form. Okay, in positive form use it. Okay, then the main verb, for example, I go to the restaurant, you go to the restaurant, you go to the restaurant, okay, the plural, okay, you go to the restaurant, a group of people go to the restaurant. We go to the restaurant, they go to the restaurant, she goes. Okay, I told you that when you want to use simple present tense for third person singular, use S or ES. Okay, it shows that this is simple present tense. She goes to the restaurant, he goes to the restaurant, or it goes to the restaurant. Okay, the usage of simple present is very important. So when you want to talk about regular habits or repeated actions, you can use simple present. Okay, for example, I get up early and practice for an hour. I get up, okay, get up as a verb here. I get up early and I practice for an hour. This is a habit, yeah, I get up early and I practice for an hour. Yes, maybe it's a repeated action, or you can say it's a kind of habit, not repeated action. Yes, it's a kind of habit. I use internet every day. I use internet every day. Okay, every day shows that this is the repeated action. Yeah? Okay, say I use. Use as a verb. I use the internet every day. Another usage is to talk about permanent situation. Okay? Maybe it lasts forever. For example, my parents own a restaurant. My parents own a restaurant. Okay? Here, own as a verb, it shows that this is permanent. Okay? You talked about a permanent situation. Yeah? My parents own a restaurant. To talk about facts or generally accepted truths. Okay, for example, in this sentence, actors have much money, or actors generally have much money. Okay, in this sentence, it is very clear that actors are rich and everybody knows it. And we can say actors generally have much money. Generally is an adverb of frequency, and it shows that we can use adverbs of frequency in simple present tense. Okay, and another sentence, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Okay, it's a kind of fact. Okay, it's a kind of fact. And yeah, water boils, yeah, in 100 degrees Celsius. To give instructions or directions, for example, you go down to the traffic light, okay, you go down to the traffic lights, okay, then you turn left. This is the direction. Again, you go down to the traffic lights, then you turn left. Okay, another example for instruction. To start the program, first you click on the icon on the desktop. To start the program, you first you click on the icon. Okay, first you click on the icon on the desktop. To tell a stories or to talk about films, books, and plays. In the film, the lady falls in love with the Prime Minister. So, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please share with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please ask me. And please let me know if you want to have a new lesson on your favorite topic in English, okay? And please click on the notification bell. Nothing more. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.